I don't think we can do enough videos on why raising something to a negative exponent is equivalent to 1 over that base raised to the positive. Raised to the positive exponent, I should say. And to get more intuition about why this makes sense, I'll look at different powers of 2 and then think about what makes sense as we go to exponents below 0, integer exponents below 0. So let's start with 2 to the third power. Well, 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which of course is equal to 8. Now, what about 2 to the second power? Well, that's going to be 2 times 2, which is, of course, equal to 4. And to go from 2 to the third to 2 to the second power, what happened here? Well, we divided by 2. We divided by 2. Now, let's keep going. What about 2 to the first power? Well, that's just 2. And once again, to go from 2 squared to 2 to the first power, we divided by 2. Now things are going to get interesting. 2 to the 0th power. And actually, this will help build the intuition of why something non-zero to the 0th power is defined to be 1. Well, so far, every time we decremented the exponent by 1, we essentially divided by 2. So we should divide by 2 again. So if we divide by 2 again, we get 1. And this is part of the motivation why 2 to the 0th power should be equal to 1. But let's keep going. What should 2 to the negative 1 power be if we want to be consistent about continuing to divide by 2? Well, we divide by 2 again. We divide by 2 again. And so this is going to be equal to 1/2. Notice, 2 to the negative 1 is 1/2. 2 to the 1 is equal to 1. This is equal to the reciprocal of this. Let's keep going. This is fun. So what should 2 to the negative 2 power be? Well, we should divide by 2 again. Divide by 2 again, you get to 1/4. I think you see the pattern. 2 to the negative 3 power, well, we should divide by 2 again. And we get to 1 over 8, which is the reciprocal of 2 to the third power. So once again, another way to think about why negative exponents are about taking reciprocals. Taking something, the negative exponent is equivalent to 1 over taking that same base to the positive exponent.